Welcome to our video on how to learn AI in 2025 for free. Today, we'll explore the best resources available online that can help you dive into the world of artificial intelligence without spending any money. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, we've got you covered. Firstly, let's understand why you need to learn artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutioning industries and creating new career opportunities. As we enter 2025, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI. Fortunately, many platforms offer high-quality courses for free, allowing you to learn at your own pace. I'm going to cover some of the top free AI learning resources with you today, without any particular order. Simplilearn offers a variety of free AI courses covering fundamental concepts, machine learning, and deep learning. Notable courses include AI Beginner's Guide. It provides an introductory course covering key AI concepts. Machine Learning Basics. In this one, you learn about supervised and unsupervised learning. TensorFlow Basics. This is to understand the basics of TensorFlow for deep learning applications. For more information, visit www.simplilearn.com/best-ai-courses-online-free, article #10_best_free_artificial_intelligence_courses. Second one is DeepLearning.AI, founded by Dr. Andrew Ng. DeepLearning.AI provides several free courses on AI fundamentals. You can access AI for Everyone. It provides you a non-technical introduction to AI. Introduction to TensorFlow. Here you can learn how to build neural networks using TensorFlow. Check out their offerings at www.deeplearning.ai/courses. Third one is Coursera. While many courses on Coursera require payment for certification, they often offer free access to course materials. You can look for AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI, Machine Learning by Stanford University. And you can explore more at www.coursera.org/courses. Query =free. Fourth is Google Cloud Skills Boost. Google offers a comprehensive learning path on generative AI, which includes multiple free courses focusing on large language models and responsible AI usage. Please visit www.cloud.google.com/training. Fifth one is ED.edX features numerous free courses from top universities like Harvard and MIT. Notable mentions include Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python by Harvard University, AI Applications in Business by Columbia University, audit mode available. You can check out their offerings at www.edx.org. Last but not the least is IBM Skills Gateway. IBM provides various free resources and courses related to AI and machine learning, including hands-on labs and projects using IBM Watson. Visit www.ibm.com/training. But to make the best possible use of these learning sources, I have a few suggestions. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your AI learning journey. Practice. Apply what you learn through projects or coding exercises. Utilize free tools. Make use of platforms like Google Colab or Jupyter Notebooks for hands-on practice. Join online communities. Engage with peers through forums like Reddit or Stack Overflow to share knowledge and solve problems together. In conclusion, I would say that 2025 is an exciting year for anyone looking to learn about artificial intelligence, especially with so many free resources available online. By leveraging these platforms, you can gain valuable skills that will prepare you for a future in this dynamic field. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on technology and learning. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy learning.